Hi, this is Zubayer. Today we will discuss about full funnel tracking for Google Ads using CRM and GTM. It is included enhanced conversion, server-side tracking and offline conversion from CRM. So let's get started. So what we need basically, we need a Stape account, GTM web, then website or landing page, then GTM server, then a CRM. I am using HubSpot CRM, then a Google Ad account. This is my actual client account, so something maybe I will not show you because of the privacy, but most of the thing I will show you. Okay, and I also cannot show how to implement it, but I can show how I did it and how it is working. Okay, so step by step I will show how did it, but I cannot practically set up it in this video. Just I will show how I set up it and how it is working. Okay, so we need Stape account, we need GTM web, we need landing page and the rest of the thing. So first of all, I will preview to show how I capturing the from submission data, then how I am sending as a raw lead. Okay, so this is the landing page that we are using on the ad. Let me connect. Okay, we also need to preview from the server. Okay, nice. We are using the Stape account here. Maybe you see it. So this is the server URL. Step server URL, we are using this one. Now we can just test it. So we are capturing this form and rest of the form that we have on the website. So I can just fill up it. Okay, now we can submit it. Okay, it is submitted, I think. Now we can test the data layer. Okay, so basically we are using a event listener code to track the elementor form submission. Okay, I can show you. Okay, this is the event listener code that we are using to capture the form submission, and we are sending the data to the server GTM. So we are getting generate lead on the server. So we have the server tag here, J4 lead server. So basically this tag is sending the data to server here, and I am also sending the user data from the data layer. For example, in here I have the user data like my name, phone number, the email address, everything here. So we are sending the data using J4 client to the server. So in here, if I check the event data, so we are getting the email, phone number, everything here. Okay, so we are using Stape account and we are sending the data using GA4 client to GTM client. Okay, so we are capturing the data. Now in here in the server GTM, we are sending the data to the GA4. Okay, and the Google Ads, and this data is capturing as a raw lead on the Google Ad as well as on the GA4 and other platform like the Meta. Okay, so using this system we are sending the raw lead on the Google Ad. Raw lead means the from submission. Okay, now if I check the goals on the Google Ad, I can see raw lead. Raw lead means the from submission. Okay, if I open it and try to match the label and conversion ID, I can find out it. So in here, if I open this one, then hello, yeah, this is the conversion ID and this is the conversion label. Okay, so it's matched, right? So in this event we are sending Google Ad raw lead. Now we need to send the qualified lead as well as the converted lead. It is called offline conversion. Okay, so we have already set up the server side tracking, that is also called online conversion. Now we will send the offline conversion. Okay, nice. So basically we have integrated HubSpot CRM with this Google Ad account, and we are capturing all the from submission data as well as all the deal everything data on the HubSpot. Okay, like I just have submit the form and it is here. So we also have connected the CRM with the website, and this is built with WordPress. So we have added the marketing automation plugin, the HubSpot plugin on the WordPress, and we are getting all the data, all the from submission data on the HubSpot, and then from the HubSpot we will send the offline conversion data to Google Ads. So we are getting the data here. Now we can send the offline conversion data to Google Ads. So I have set up a condition. Using the condition, we are sending the data to Google Ads. The condition is when someone submit lead, it will capture as a raw lead on the Google Ad using Google Tag Manager. Then from the lead, the sales team will manually filter it, and when they see it is qualified lead, they will make a deal. For example, this one, we can make a deal. Okay, we can just capture here. So where's the interested product? Okay, we can make a deal here. Okay, sales interested product. So basically, when the sales team make a deal, the Google Ad will get as a qualified lead in here. So here Google Ad will capture as a qualified lead, and it will also capture the value because I have added a deal value here, right? So it will capture the number of deal as a qualified lead as well as the conversion value. Then it will go to the deals in here. Okay, from the sales qualified deal, when they mark it to the sale, the Google ad converted lead will capture the data. For example, here household converted lead, here it will also capture the converted lead. The converted lead is actually the sale. So we are tracking the number of sale as well as the sales revenue. Okay. So we are sending the raw lead. Raw lead means the from submission using Google Tag Manager and server-side tracking. Then we have integrated the Google ad and the website to the HubSpot CRM, and from the HubSpot CRM, when they make a deal, it will goes to qualified lead here, as well as it is sending the deal revenue or the deal value. Then from the deal, when someone or when the sales team market to the sale, it will also capture the sale as well as the revenue. It is called full funnel tracking. Full funnel tracking means full journey of the tracking. Like when someone click the ad, they will go to the landing page. Then from the landing page, they submit the lead. Then the sales team will talk to the people. Then finally, when they got converted or closed, we can send the data to Google Ad. It is called full funnel tracking. So I hope you got it. How we can set up the full funnel tracking using a CRM, Google Tag Manager, Stape.io, and send the data to Google Ad. And I can also show you how I build the system on the HubSpot integration. So we have integration here. For example, on the ads, we have the setup. So basically on the ads, we have event setup. On the event, we have the condition. Okay. So this is the converted lead. This is the sales qualified lead. So what's the converted lead condition? The condition is when someone mark the life cycle stage to the sale, it will send the converted lead. Then when someone or sales team mark it to the sales qualified lead, it will send the sales qualified lead to Google Ad, and it is sending the email, phone number, and other user provided data to enable enhanced conversion. Okay, I can show you how it is enabled enhanced conversion. So if I show in here, the enhanced conversion already working. Okay, it is also working for the offline conversion, no problem at all. Then we are also sending the data to GA4. I can also show you the GA4, but GA4 is only working based on server side, and it is not capturing offline conversion data. It is just capturing the online conversion data. It means it is capturing the from submission only and some basic event or the metrics event that I needed, like the click of the phone number, then page visit, some audience I have created based on the event. Then generate is the actual from submission. So I hope you got it. We are sending everything, the full funnel tracking for Google Ad as well as the GA4. In here everything is explained, and if I show the campaign level data, I can show you like it is capturing the conversion. Then if I show you the funnel is total click, it is showing total click, then raw lead, qualified lead, and the converted lead. Okay, I hope you got the point how we can set up the full funnel tracking for Google Ads. Thanks for watching. If you need help with setup or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.